everyone, it's Amber Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do another unboxing of a THREDUP rescue box. So today's unboxing is going to be jewelry. And they have different jewelry boxes, and they had one that was like 10-pound mix lot, but I didn't choose that one. I believe this is 25 pieces. I ordered it about a month ago, so I'm not really sure. So once I open it up, I will look at the invoice so we can clarify whether it's 25 pieces or what I got. I haven't done a rescue box of jewelry before, so this is a new venture for me. I typically don't sell a lot of jewelry, but it's something that I wouldn't mind selling if I had, good pieces to sell. So let's get started. I've got this box. It's a really tiny box, but I've got the box sitting on top of a basket so you can see it in the video. So let's get started, open it up, and see what we have in store. Okay, so first I'm going to look at the invoice to see what it is. So it's mixed jewelry and it says I'm pretty sure it's 25 pieces because it's not 10 pounds. It's, it only weighed like 2 pounds, but it's mixed jewelry. I paid $40 for it. So let's see if I got a good box or if I just wasted $40. So this is what it looks like inside. I don't know if there's multiple pieces in each thing. Surely, because there's not that many. So, okay, yes. So the first piece I'm opening is this gold bracelet. And it's cute. So how it works is it hooks like that. So you just put it on your wrist and then it hooks like that. It's cute. I would wear this piece. I like it, and there's just a little bit of scratches on it, so it's gently used. That's the first piece we got. Next out of this little bundle is another bracelet, and this hook's similar. If I can get it unhooked. So hooks similar, it just hooks. There's a clasp on it, and you just hook it through that. Let's see. Okay, so I got it. So that's what it looks like on the wrist. Okay, couldn't get it off. So that's what it looked like on the wrist. This is what it looks like. It's cute. I'd probably wear this. There is more tarnishing to this bracelet. So some of this jewelry, if I don't think I can sell it by itself, I might try to do it, a bundle with a few other items. If that doesn't sell, it's going to go in the yard sale at the end of the summer. So let's keep going. So the next one is a little bag, and inside of it, so it's a pair of earrings. It's just a little pair of hoop earrings, silver, tiny little diamond-like piece on it. And it does have some tarnishing to it. If you guys see any pieces of jewelry that you like, let me know and you can have it. So 3 pieces down, let's keep going. Ooh. Alright, so this piece is something. So I like the feather aspect to it, but I don't feel like it fits this chain. I don't know. So this is what it would look like. I don't know. The brand, this is a J. Crew necklace. I was not expecting that. It's alright. Again, I don't feel like it. I feel like this chain is just a little bulky for the feathers. I feel like if it were a more feminine chain, it would look a bit better, but that's item number 4. Moving on. I'm going to go ahead and put the basket and put the jewelry inside of the basket. Okay. So the next little wrapped section. Okay. So I see another bracelet. Hooks the same way the previous ones did, and it is just like a turquoise, a light turquoise bracelet. Nothing special to it, and this has a lot of tarnishing. So I'm definitely, just how it's going right now, it's definitely going to get bundled up together. I'm assuming this ring goes with it because they look very similar together. So I'll probably just do a bundle, and I might just auction it off on eBay. We'll see. But that is... So this is item number 5 and number 6. Okay, next is another pair of earrings. These are different. So these are green with some gold tassel hanging. See them? They're kind of different. I do kind of like these. But a lot of this is just costume jewelry, no, brand tied to it, but that's what they look like. I almost missed those as they were falling out. So this is, it still has the tag on it. Sterling silver. So this one is a bracelet. It opens and then clasps right there. It's just plain bracelet. Sterling silver. It's kind of a weird color, but what do you guys think of this box so far? Was it worth $40? I don't know. Okay. The next one is another bracelet, and it came in this little purple bag with a little note. Let me see what the note says. Gemstone of the Caribbean. Larimar, L-A-R-I-M-A-R, is the only semi-precious stone found exclusively in the Caribbean. It received its name from the Peace Corps. It's a cool little fun fact about it. But it is pink. It's my favorite. It's just a little bracelet. This does not have any signs of wear to it. This appears to still be brand new. I kind of like it. Alright, next item in this is another bag. Let's see, another pair of earrings. No brand again. They're floral earrings, blue and green. They're cute. These items aren't exactly what I was expecting in the jewelry box. I was expecting, like statement pieces, but I guess 25 pieces of jewelry for $40, you're not going to get stuff like that. But alright, the last one is this bracelet. Black and silver, and it goes through like this. Kind of looks old and dated. Not feeling it. So we only have 3 more little wrapped sections, and this one is the biggest, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. Hopefully maybe get a statement necklace is what I'm really hoping for. But alright. This is what I was expecting. Statement necklace. It does have some wear to it, I can see. Overall, it's pretty. This is the items that I was expecting to get in this bag. And I don't see a brand anywhere on this necklace. This is something like what I would wear in cosmetology school, because you had to wear black at Paul Mitchell, so I would always wear stuff that would kind of brighten it up or blingy to add to my black wardrobe. So this I like. The next item is another bold statement necklace. So what these are reminding me of is the costume jewelry that I used to purchase off eBay from China. You can get it really super cheap, like $3 or $4, and it's jewelry like this and the previous necklace. So I'm not sure about the color mix. Pink and gold I was feeling, and then once you get to the bottom of it with all these other bright colors mixed in, but someone probably wants it. Next is a bracelet. I like this bracelet. Let's see how you put it on. I like this bracelet. It's fun, and what I like is that it just slides on. You don't have to worry about clasping it or anything like that. It stacks. I'm probably keeping this for myself. I do like this. It does have some wear to it, but it's not too bad. I like this bracelet. So this is another necklace, and the brand is Cold Water Creek. It's a gold necklace, and it's kind of a bronze gold color jewel in the center. What it looks like on. It's cute, I like it. This is what I was expecting in this box. Next item is just a silver chain. So I'm not sure if it's real, but it does have Italy stamped on it. I'll have to do more research into this, but it's just a plain silver chain. Only have 2 left. This one's super heavy, so I'm hoping it's more statement necklaces. I'm going to save it for last. And go ahead and open this one. So this is another bracelet. It is a silver and gold mix. And it just closes like that. No brand on it. It's alright. I don't like mixing metals like that. I just like silver or just like gold. But a lot of people like to mix metals. We have ourselves another bracelet. So this is pretty much a bracelet box. And let me see how this one opens. Okay, so this one, it looks like a snowflake, and it just kind of pops open. And that is how you put it on. Seems like, I don't know if I could do that by myself, if I was by myself in the house. But it's just a plain silver bracelet. It looks like a snowflake type thing up top, or it might not even be a snowflake, I'm not sure. So there appears to be no tarnishing or anything on this. On the bottom of it, it says the best is yet to come. I like that. I might keep this for myself, I don't know. Let me see how it looks on. Scratch that. I'm not keeping this for myself just because it is not simple to get on. It'll frustrate me, so sorry. Next item is a ring. That's what it looks like. It's a burgundy stone. I'm not sure if this is real or not. I might go and have some of these items tested to see, so that I'm not underselling it or just giving it away basically at the yard sale. Along with that, we have another ring, and this is just a plain, it has 3 little green stones in it. I don't know if it's a birthstone or what, but it's just a gold band with 3 green stones. This doesn't feel like a heavy metal. This feels like costume jewelry, whereas this actually does feel as if it might be something. Next item is another pair of silver earrings, and these do not have backs, so I'm not sure if they just don't need backs and they just go inside your ear. I'm not sure. That's what these are. The next pair of earrings are threaders. These you just put inside your ear and then just pull it through, and you can wear it with this dangling down. You can pull it all the way tight to where this is right on your earlobe. I personally love threaders because they are so lightweight, and actually I usually forget that they're in, but they just perfect simple earrings. If you're really into minimal jewelry, I love Miranda Fry pieces. These are similar to threaders that like she has. So I do like these. And the last piece in that little section is just another silver bracelet. Opens like that. Tons of bracelets like that. And then on the bottom it says love. It's alright. The last little piece that we have to open. Let's see if this is going to bring it back. I can just go ahead and say I probably will not ever buy another jewelry box from THREDUP. I don't think I got my money's worth. Some of those, like that ring, say it was real. I don't know. Wow. So this is a bracelet. And this is very, very heavy. It's also very tarnished. Again, this is a J. Crew bracelet. Their jewelry really is surprising me in this box. So this I did not expect to come from them. And then this as well. I don't like the chain that the feathers are on. And this is just so heavy. I don't know. And then it just looks like there's one item left. That's it. Were you guys keeping track to see if I got 25 items? So this is another J. Crew necklace. This is how it looks. And it's, again, it's very heavy. Kind of goes same colors with this. I'm sure someone wants it. I just don't think that I got $40 worth of jewelry. A lot of it, if I were buying this for myself, I mean, there's only pretty much one thing that I would have kept. So if I'll look at all of it and see, I might put it on auction on eBay. I might list a few items individually, or if not, I will just put it in the yard sale. If it doesn't sell, then off to Goodwill it goes. Okay, so I just did a quick count to make sure I got 25 pieces, and I did. What do you guys think about this box? Do you think that I scored good jewelry? Do you think it was a flop? Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you've gotten a jewelry box before and if you've had success with it, or it's something that we should just avoid in general. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.